Today on Trail Preview Thursdays, we are previewing East Dome Trail in Big Bend Ranch State Park over by Big Bend National Park. East Dome Trail is a pretty fun trail at 2 miles long, 266 feet of descent, and about 190 feet of ascent if you're going from the west to east way like I did. It's a really fun trail and is rated a blue, and I would definitely say it probably makes it blue. There are a few tough climbs on there that are pretty hard to do even after you have about 8 miles on the legs at least, by the time you get there, depending on what route you take. If you go out to the mine and then take it back to the east. It's a really fun trail. It is pretty rocky, but it's also got some flow to it. And just like any trail, you can pretty much make flow wherever you are. It has some fun descents. Just be careful as you go down them because they can get a little loose sometimes. If you're enjoying this video so far, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe while you're down there, because it helps get this video and the channel to more mountain bikers just like you. All in all, it is a very fun trail, so let's go ahead and drop in. Now we're on Dome Trail, and this is definitely Oh, a couple fun turns. And that is East Dome Trail, otherwise known as Dome Single Track. This trail is very fun, and I would highly recommend taking it instead of going on the access road that is there. If you're coming back from the mine that is out there, the Frenso mine, then you will have to double back a little bit on West Dome Trail, but I would highly recommend it. It is definitely worth it. This trail is pretty fun. It's got everything that you would probably want from desert riding, with amazing views and some fast and sometimes a little bit wild descents. If you want to see my entire ride that I did out there in Big Bend Ranch State Park, go ahead and check out that video right here. And in the meantime, go find your epic.